How long do you have to claim your refund? If you were owed a refund but didn't file, you typically have 3 years from the original due date, including extensions, to file and claim it. After that, the US Treasury keeps the money. So for tax season 2024, you can still claim refunds for 2023, 2022, and 2021. Especially if you didn't file your 2021 tax return, you could miss out on a $1,400 stimulus payment that US taxpayers received from the government during pandemic. You have until April 15, 2025 to file and claim it. So don't wait. The fastest way to get your refund is through direct deposit, usually within 3 to 4 weeks. Filing electronically plus direct deposit is the quickest, safest, and least likely to have errors. If you request a check, you may have to wait an extra week. And if you paper file, that can delay the process even more. Can you deposit your refund into multiple accounts? Yes, you can request a deposit into up to 3 different accounts by filing Form 8888, Refund Allocation, while you're filing your taxes. If you enter the wrong account or routing number, call the IRS at 1-800-829-1040 to try to stop the deposit. If it's already been deposited into the wrong account, you will need to contact your bank to recover the funds. So always double check your bank information on your tax return. In some cases, you may receive a check even if you requested a direct deposit. It could be because the account wasn't in your or your spouse's name, your bank rejected it, or you requested more than 3 electronic deposits into the same account. To check the status of your refund, go to irs.gov/refunds. Have your Social Security or ITIN number, your filing status, and your exact refund amount ready. Then click the Check Your Refund button. Enter your personal details, select the tax year you want to check, and click Submit. If your information doesn't match what the IRS has on file, you will get an error message and be asked to correct it. You can't use the Check Your Refund system if your return shows a 0 refund or if you owe taxes. You will get an error message if you try. You can start checking your refund status about 48 hours after filing, once the IRS accepts your return. What does the Check Your Refund system tell you? If it says the return has been received, it means the IRS has started processing it. If it says the refund has been approved, it means the IRS is preparing to send you a refund by the date shown. If it says the refund has been sent, it may take up to 5 days to receive it, or if you requested a check, it may take a couple of weeks. Now, don't file another return just to speed up your refund. The only time you should consider it is if the Where's My Refund tool shows no status after a few days, or if you filed a paper return more than 6 months ago. Submitting a second return while the first one is still being processed can cause delays. The IRS will have to compare both returns for difference, which can slow things down even more. If you filed an amended return because you received new documents or changed the number of dependents or filing status, you can check its status on the IRS website using the Where's My Amended Return system by entering your personal information. Be aware that amended returns take much longer to process. For example, as of mid-March 2025, the IRS was up to date with the 2024 returns, but they were still processing amended returns from October 2024, which means a 5-month delay. What if you received a refund, but it was 0, less than expected, or different from what you saw on your return? There could be several reasons. 1. There may have been mistakes on your return, and the IRS made corrections, which reduced your refund. You will receive a letter explaining the changes. 2. Your refund could have been used to pay an IRS balance or other debts, such as past due child support, federal agency non-tax debts, state income tax, or certain unemployment compensation debts. 3. If you filed a joint return and the refund was applied to your spouse's debt, you can file an injured spouse claim using Form 8379. This will allow your portion of the refund to be returned to you. If you still have questions about your refund or return, you can call the IRS at 1-800-829-1040. Just be prepared for longer wait times to speak with a representative. You can also visit your local IRS Taxpayer Assistance Center. Search for the address on the IRS website, schedule an appointment, and check what services they offer. Thanks so much for watching.